This is our rocket heater, hot tub heater. We have ourselves a rocket heater that was poured into a 5-gallon bucket. We used a 4-inch piece of PVC for the center and a 4x4 for the burn chamber. And this is what we have. It was poured with crack-resistant concrete, and then it was coated on the inside and the outside with refractory cement and a large hose clamp. Actually, it's two 7-inch hose clamps were wrapped around it to keep it from possibly cracking if it does. It's actually cracked once, and that's why I coated it with the refractory cement, which can handle 3,000 degrees. And the hose clamp. And we've got our tubes. We've got our tubes going to the hot tub. In through a diverter valve. We do our diversions there in the center. We rotate those to divert the water out the tubes, out the bottom tube, through this 1-inch copper tubing. It goes over here. It goes back through, goes over one side of the hole, loops around, comes back through the other side, goes over here, and back through this hose on the left side, up through the top, and over there where it goes back into the hot tub. And all we do is feed in some wood. Got some nice major draw. We have a 4-foot chimney on this baby. 6-inch stovepipe. 6-inch black stovepipe. It's 4 feet high. Makes some incredible draw. And as we can see, no smoke. 0 smoke coming out of that baby. Okay, well, a little bit of smoke. Not much. When it's like this, you don't see the smoke. See? I don't see any smoke. It's more when you're like this. You're not really seeing smoke. I don't know what you're seeing there. I guess you are seeing some smoke. But as you look at it against the building, you don't really see it. It's very faint smoke. So okay, a little bit of smoke. I'll look down through there. There we go. Nice view. Down the rocket heater chimney. Back here to the burn chamber. And just look at that draw. It is just pulling the flames in there. I have a 4-inch piece of black stovepipe coming, and that black 4-inch piece of black stovepipe that will be 2 feet long will be going into this hole, and then the fire will be here, will be burning along this area here and into here and up, and it will then burn a lot hotter because it will be a vertical flame. Under here we have a little cage for separation to allow air to flow up underneath. Some people will put a shelf. I'm using this steel mesh because it lets a lot more air through than just putting a shelf in there. So that is our rocket heater water heater, and we'll use it to supplement the heating of the hot tub to keep the electric heater usage down, because wood is free. Wood is free and electric is expensive. So there we go. That is our rocket water heater, and we're out.